How to go live on YouTube using OBS Studio. Hi, I'm Lucas from JMV Technology Support. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to go live on YouTube using OBS Studio. First, you'll need to create a YouTube channel using your Google account. Once your channel is set up, you'll need to have OBS Studio installed. If you don't have it, I'll leave a link in the description. After downloading and installing it, you'll open the program. If you're not sure how to set it up, don't worry. We have a free comprehensive OBS Studio course that covers everything from basics to advanced techniques. I highly recommend checking out this free and complete course. Now, with OBS installed, you'll need to get the stream info from your YouTube live event. To set up OBS, the stream URL and key are found in the YouTube Stream Management section. Copy the URL, go to OBS Studio Settings, Stream, and paste it in the server box. Now for the password. Copy the YouTube password and paste it in the Stream key field. That's the broadcast key. Apply these settings and you're done. On YouTube's dashboard, you'll see it's blank, meaning no data is being received. Click Start Streaming in OBS and soon the preview will turn green, showing the stream is connected. So, in the top left here, you can see the Go Live button is clickable, a small white button. It's asking you to click because my auto start wasn't activated. I don't activate it so I can check the stream quality beforehand. If it fails, I can adjust it. Obviously, if it's within my capabilities, right? This helps ensure your broadcast is good quality for your audience. See how your stream has an excellent connection? Now go ahead and click that Go Live button. Your live stream will then be available to your YouTube audience. Of course, you want to expand your audience, but for that, you'll need our tool called Live Social. Its purpose is to broadcast your stream to multiple social networks like Instagram, Facebook, and more from a single point. Don't miss this chance to reach an even bigger audience. If you like the idea and want to grow more, check out our live social plans via the QR code on screen. In OBS Studio, you can do anything now. Change scenes, set up mics, adjust webcams. The sky's the limit. Our YouTube channel has videos to help. I'll link a playlist about setting up OBS Studio in the card. That's it for today's tutorial. If you enjoy this content, follow us, subscribe, and share with friends who might need help with OBS Studio. Any questions? Don't hesitate to ask in the comments. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you next time. Bye.